Hi, lifterlms users. Welcome to our channel. Do you want to bulk import single or multiple choice type quizzes in lifterlms? Here is how you can do that easily. I presume you have already installed the lifterlms Quiz Questions Importer plugin. Now, download the CSV template from the plugin settings page. Next, you have to fill out the quiz template. First, fill your course, section and lesson information to attach quizzes. Next, fill the quiz title column. Now, we need to fill question title, question description column. Most important is that, for importing multiple and single choice questions, fill type of question column with the word multiple choice or single choice. If you want to attach images or videos in the question, paste the full URL of image and video in these columns. You can set marks for each question by filling this points column. If you want to put answer explanations for correct answers, fill the result clarifications column. Fill correct answer columns for the answers. If your answer 2 is correct, write 2 in the correct answer column for single choice. If multiple answers are correct, fill numbers in comma separated value. Like 2, 3, 5 for multiple choice questions. Now, fill answer options in option 1 to option 5 column. Finally, save your CSV template. Now, go to the lifterlms Quiz Importer settings page and upload your template. Your multiple and single choice quizzes will import within a second and are attached to the course. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. You can check the video description for more details about the lifterlms Quiz Importer plugin.